Another cool thing about the Revere eStore is the quick order form. This feature allows you to build your cart quickly with part numbers. On the Revere homepage, you can click Account Dashboard and then Quick Order Pad. I have added part numbers and quantities to this page. Press Add to Cart and they will automatically be added. And here it is. You can copy and paste your part numbers and quantities into the Copy and Paste section. The part number and the quantity must be separated by a comma. Once you copy and paste, you can press Add to Cart and they will automatically be added. If you have a file or document you would like to upload, you can do that in this tab. Once you submit, your products will automatically be added to the cart, and that's the quick order form.